Welcome back to Eldred's Workshop. Today on the show, we're going to take this wine barrel right here and we are going to make this sign for our garden with no CNC because I can't afford one. So stay tuned so that you can watch my mistakes so you don't make them. Now enjoy the show.
Common sense and tell me what you're gonna do tonight. Smell these common sense and watch us doing the wrong thing.
Hi everybody, welcome back to the show. I don't have any footage of us putting together the staves, but if you want to check that out, go to Rustic Custom Sign. Let's get going and get started with the prep. All right, so I have an old woodworking planer that I'm using to break down the chips and the warping from the inside of the wine barrel. Everybody, nice little sanding montage, 60, 80, 100, 150, 220. So I built this out in Adobe Illustrator and used the tile setting in order to set up the stencil for cutout. And then I basically placed them, roughly on where I thought they should go, best for the space. And then I used carbon paper from Staples to kind of make a little sheet and then placed it and then set it in the space. All right, let's try this out here. Some a little harder than a pencil to trace this out. Not going so good. Pencil slides a little easier. And we're doing this to transfer this stencil onto the line board. Considering that this is the first time that I had done this, the tracing was, pretty tedious, but got a pretty good estimate of where I needed to make all my plunge cuts, and I was pretty happy with it. Just want to go over quickly the bits that I used for this project. I used a 15, a 20, a 60, and a 90-degree bit. Didn't really know what to get, so I purchased all of them in kind of this little package. There's an affiliate link in the description, as well with this spiral bit, which was used to hog out after. I started about 1/4 of an inch down with this really fine 15-degree. It was nice, really good for like really intricate work. And I actually went from that one to the 60-degree just kind of like get my bearings, see what was going on. After a little bit of experimentation, I figured out that this 20-degree was my favorite. I could remove the most amount of material and get an accurate line in the carve the best with that one, and then went back with the spiral bit and ended up cleaning out the rest of the material that was in there. Any of those of you who are unfamiliar, I am using a cordless router from DEWALT, and I am also using their DEWALT plunge base. Easier access to drop the router down into the surface. Link in the description as well. Playing around with the bits, this one works a lot better. I mean, it's first time routing, so I'm just getting a feel for it. And then, as you can see, I kind of current tested a little bit, but we'll see how it goes here in the next couple minutes. All right, well, I didn't videotape this, filled in the gaps here with some spray paint. And I'm hoping that the edge kind of stays on this. The next thing is I will be putting on clear coat, like emphasize a little bit, and get sanded. Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. Like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Show us a picture of your sign that you come up with. Anyways, you guys have a great day, and we'll catch you on the flip. I actually like that spot for the sign better. Can't believe I never thought of that before. Hey there. Thanks for tuning in, and go out there and make yourself a sign. Be the talk of the neighborhood. And let me know what which sign you make looks like. All right. Hey everybody, thanks. And you want to take that?
I'm Andy's dad. Maybe you can see the apple didn't fall too far from the tree. So go out and garden like a Viking.